Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is t power 3 over 2 equals 2 power 3 over 2. You are solving for all values of t that satisfies this equation. Now, this is what we are going to do. So, I can decide to express this 3 over 2 as 3 times 1 over 2. So, this is t power 3 times 1 over 2 equals this is 2 power 3 times 1 over 2. Now, if you have a power n times n, this equals a power n to the power of n, and this also equals a power n to the power of n. So we are going to switch these powers. That means this is my n, and this is my m, this is my n, and this is my m. So I'm going to have t power 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 2 power 1 over 2 to the power of 3. So also remember that if you have a power 1 over 2, this equals square root of a. So we need to apply that here and here. That means this is what we are going to have. I'll have square root of t to the power of 3 equals square root of 2 to the power of 3. So let's move this way. It becomes negative. I have square root of t to the power of 3 minus square root of 2 to the power of 3, and this equals 0. Now, you have power 3 here. You have power 3 here. I can expand this using this identity. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And in this case, a is root t and b is what? Root 2. So let's do that here. That means we are going to have root t minus root 2 times root t squared plus root t times root 2 plus root 2 squared, and this equals 0. So from here, we have root t minus root 2 times this is root t power 2 plus root 2 times t plus root 2 power 2 equals 0. So what we are going to do will be to cancel out. This cancel this, and this cancel this. So I'm going to have root t minus root 2 times this is t plus square root of 2t plus this is 2 equals 0. So let's equate each of these to 0. I have root t minus root 2 equals 0. I have t plus square root of 2t plus 2 equals 0. So we are going to solve these individual equations. For the first one here, we'll simply have root t equals root 2. This cancel this, meaning that t equals 2. This is my t1. Now for this one here, to solve this, I move 2 over here and also move t over here. So we'll have square root of 2t equals negative 2 minus t. So what I'm going to do will be to take these squares. I take the squares of both parts of this equation. This cancel this. I have 2t equals, this is negative 2 minus t. That's negative 2 minus t. So from here, I have 2t equals negative 2 times negative 2. This is 4. Negative 2 times negative t plus 2t, negative 2 times negative t plus 2t, negative t times negative t plus t squared. So from here, I'll have 2t equals 4 plus this is 4t plus t power 2. Move this over here. I'll have 0 equals 4 plus 4t plus t squared. This becomes minus 2t. So from here, f0 equals 4, 4t minus 2t. This is 2t plus t squared. Let's rearrange this equation. Have t squared plus 2t plus 4 equals 0. Now, this becomes a quadratic equation that we are going to solve for t. We solve using the formula method. We have t equals negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a equals 1, which is the equation of t squared. B equals 2, which is the equation of t. And c equals 4, which is the constant here. So from here, we have t equals negative 2, b is 2, plus or minus square root of a squared. That is 2 squared minus 4 times a, that is 1, times c, that is 4, divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. So from here, of t equals, this is negative 2, plus or minus square root of, this is 4 minus, this is 16, divided by 2. Right? So from here, of t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16, negative 12 divided by 2. So from here, of t equals negative 2 plus or minus, and have square root of negative 1 times square root of 12 divided by 2. So from here, this square root of negative 1 here is I. Of t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 2. This is 4 times 3 divided by 2. So from here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2. So from here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times 2 times root 3 divided by 2. So 2 cancels 2 cancels 2. So from here, we have t equals, this will be negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. We have two complex values for t. We have t2 equals negative 1 plus I root 3. And we have t3 equals negative 1 minus I root 3. Now we also have one real value for t, which is t equals 2. So write the real value for t. You can insert it right here. Remember, you have t power 3 over 2 equals to power 3 over 2. And our t equals 2. So that means we are simply going to have 2 power 3 over 2 equals 2 power 3 over 2, right? So this side and this side are now the same, and that is it. You can express this way. If you have a power 1 over n, this equals n root of a. So that means we are simply going to have, applying that here, this is square root because we have 2 here, square root of 2 power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3, right? And from here, 2 power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. We have square root of 8 equals square root of 8. This side and this side are now the same. So guys, this is how you solve this exponential problem and find all the values of t, both complex and real value. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much. See you in our next video. Goodbye. drop a comment on the comment box X.